out this bitch, nigga.
We out here.
It is snow. It is snow.
Same location, you know what I'm saying? Died down a little bit. I ain't gonna hold you.
Oh, it's snow.
Shit died down just a little bit.
On the snow, you don't play in the snow, nigga. Play in the snow, I'll pay your bitch. Fuck. Paying your bitch.
It is snow. It is snow. I'm afraid to walk down the steps because my ass gonna slip.
No, bottom on snowman. See that nigga?
Look. Yo, my heart beating fast.
Looking like a fake ass. No, I'm out here looking like a fake ass Black Duck Dynasty and shit. Fake ass Duck Dynasty and shit.
I tell you, you gotta get the light, bro. There. It's a fake ass
Duck Dynasty. It's money so fucking what? So fucking what, nigga? Yo, what you want me to get gangsta out this bitch? I can gangsta out this bitch. It's not a fucking problem. It's not a problem.
Oh my god, what? It's wind.
Nigga, I'll strip out this motherfucker. Wear that to my shirt.
Oh my
Nigga, I go out there in the snow challenge, ass naked, boy, ass naked.
Oh shit.
And I don't like wearing boots.
But you got him on the day.
Oh yeah, I got them on today. You know what I mean? I got them on shit after my little shit.
Show them the footwork. Show them the footwork.
It's not a problem.
Show them the footwork in the snow. There it is.
Problem, nigga.
Your ass fall, that shit will be
Four for what?
funny.
4 for what, nigga? 4 for what?
Nigga, get down.
Motherfucker, I
Oh,
would do the Sherman Hemsley on your ass on after this motherfucking snow. Fuck with me, what you nigga? You see that, nigga? You see that, nigga?
show them the footwork. Show them the footwork.